So what do we know about application usability? I don't know that it takes a lot of research to know that as a user we find an application and it's not pleasing to the eye, it's difficult to maneuver, it has loud colors, too many colors, too much going on, and it certainly is going to make us not want to use the application. So that I think is common sense from a user standpoint, but I think when we're designing sometimes we get a little bit too close. You can't see the forest for the trees because we're so busy in writing the code and putting all the elements together that maybe we're not seeing this as it happens. Mobile app users are growing exponentially every day, and will certainly rule the market eventually, leaving PC users behind. And with more mobile devices, mobile users, we're going to need more mobile applications. And if you do not create something that's going to be user-friendly, then you have lost your audience. I think my app has come a long way from where it was certainly weeks ago, and although I have to say that I did like the standard default theme colors that we were originally using in jQuery Mobile, I like the ability to be able to customize and make whatever colors that we would like to have for our app. Although I find that as a designer you can certainly get caught up in that for hours trying to get just the right color scheme and hues, and yeah, I spent quite a bit of time and I'm still not happy with where mine's at. I think it looks nice enough, but do I think it's where I would like for it to be on the list of top apps that users that I'm trying to target for are going to want to use? Probably not. So definitely I've got some issues with some. I mean, in researching, there are some applications that are extremely successful, and there are specific reasons why they are. Now, Angry Birds was one of them. There's another one called Bad Piggies, which is similar to that, and certainly has a lot of the same elements. And there's DMD Panorama, which is another one, and Map Plus. Yeah, Maps Plus. And these applications have certain elements, innovation, solid engineering, brilliant design, but certainly something more than that. It's the aesthetic moorings that really draw in the user, and the way that we bring everything together. I would definitely check those out to get a good visual idea of what those apps look like. Like anything else, it's an art. It's not just programming, it's putting all these elements together. And perhaps if you were working on a team where you only worked on the coding, or somebody worked on the design, you're trying to work on all of these elements, all the different components, and put them all together. It's going to take time until you get everything really fine-tuned, so it's a well-working cog wheel, and all the parts just move fluidly. Mine's definitely not there yet. I've got to work on the colors. I've got to work on the logo, and definitely with my form, and just with my fields. I think just in general, we're just infants in this technology. Although it's only month 6, so I think we're doing pretty well, all things considered, and we'll only get better from here.